This is a Redmi Buds 3 Lite. It's a compact minimalistic earbud that has a premium feel without the premium price tag. Unboxing the device, the first thing I pulled out was the info card, which guides your first step and process of using these earbuds, telling you how to pair and comfortably wear the earbuds for the first time. They included a plastic bag that has different sizes of ear tips, but 2 out of the 3 are ear tips and 1 of them is an ear hook. A massive manual with over 12 different languages. You also get a paper talking about the warranty notice, and you can decide to read all of that if you want to. The buds are lightweight and it feels really sturdy, magnetic closure that feels so satisfying, and the earbuds snap in place so quickly. But don't let me hype it too much. Let me discover what it's capable of first, so be sure to watch out for my full review of this device. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.